What's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty as you do. Times Square can't shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Either alive, but don't you worry about the distance. I'm right there if you reload. Here's the song, another listen, close your eyes. It's what you do to me, what you do to me. Hey there, Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe me, girl, someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar. We'll have it good. We'll have the life we knew we would. My word is good. Hey there, Delilah, I know sometimes never say every simple song. What you do to me. 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along, because we know that none of them has felt this way. Delilah, I can promise you that by the time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same. Delilah, you be good and don't you miss me. 2 more years and we'll be on this road, and I'll be making history like I do. You know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me more love than I've ever had. Make it all better when I'm feeling sad. Tell me that I'm special to you when I know I'm not. Make me feel good when I hurt so bad. Better get that, I'm so glad I found you. I love being around you. You make it easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make me feel good when it hurts so bad.